Metabob is an AI-assisted tool. Our goal is to cut debugging time in half. We're trying to automate in debugging, which is by far the most time-consuming and challenging aspect of every software developer day-to-day. In fact, debugging takes 50% as average of every day-to-day time of developers, and which costs their company an average of $160 per hour per developer. The experience so far has been great. We have learned a lot through the NetApp mentors, advisors, as well as we had the opportunity to work with few teams already to define a POC and really learn feedback and insights from one of the leaders in our space. No one else has the deep understanding of the space they're into, which is the same we are into as well. And also the insights they can provide, like they are doing it, they're one of the most successful company out there. And so being able to learn from them and see the blueprint of what they did to get to this point is extremely valuable to us.